Here's another cool new feature in OrcaSlicer. Painting can now persist after mesh changes. If you've ever painted a model, then made a cut, split, repair, or mesh edit, you know the pain. Sometimes those painted areas had to be redone. With this experimental option, OrcaSlicer can keep painted features after the mesh changes, helping preserve work you've already done. To try it, go to Preferences, then Developer, and enable Keep Painted Feature After Mesh Change. It's designed to help with common edits like planar cuts, dovetail cuts, splitting models, mesh boolean operations, reloading from disk, fixing models, and simplify or smooth operations. The big win is simple: less repainting, fewer repeated steps, and a smoother workflow when you need to adjust a model after painting. Since it's experimental, always check your preview before printing, but this is a huge quality of life improvement.